Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Now, as you all know, 4 days from now, it's going to be the 4th of July.
Oh, yeah.
And you're expected to be coming to some delicious summer barbecues. So for today's lesson, I'm going to teach you all how to make pasta salad, a perfect side dish for those summer barbecues. The ingredients we're going to be using are elbow macaroni, chopped celery, spinach,
Tuna fish.
chopped carrots,
Coffee.
and cherry tomatoes. Oh, and light mayonnaise. Okay, before we begin, I would like to choose this week's helper. And since we got a new gal here, I want her to come up first. Siobhan, you're my helper for this week.
Yay!
So first we gotta glove up.
Love up for those fit me.
Alright, let's learn how to make pasta salad. First, we take our boiled elbow macaroni and place it into the bowl.
I'm gonna eat it too.
Not just yet.
It looks good.
Thank you. I'll boil it before class starts. Alright. Next, you take our light mayonnaise. Scoop out 4 scoops.
I tell you, macaroni salad.
Uh-oh.
Hey, David. No. David, no.
What is that good? It's okay if you don't eat it.
Whether you want to eat it or not, that's up to you.
I don't want to eat it.
That's okay then.
I'll just have my food that I brought.
Alright then. It's fine.
Water.
You have to mix it.
1 minute.
Not yet. Next we add in our celery.
I'm gonna put this.
Next our carrots. Next we add in our spinach.
Yes.
Yeah.
Call it the World Cup. I call it coffee. No, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What is he talking about?
Even better. After we add in our cherry tomatoes.
Okay, she's gonna make you coffee. You'll have coffee.
Yeah, preach. No.
Vincent, so the other group will come later, which is, where's,
We take our tongs and mix in all our ingredients.
where?
Oh, he's
Oh, so what do you give her to do? Keep her out. I know she likes that.
David, sit back down.
David, come over here. Sit.
I make coffee.
Is that okay? Yeah, I can't have this. I can't have this at all. Excuse me, my friend.
It's
I
fun.
can't have this at all. I want to try it.
You can try it, man.
You
It's up
gotta
to
try
you.
it. We all gotta eat it.
I want to try it.
Alright,
I love macaroni salad. I ate that. When I was actually at my mom's house, I love macaroni salad.
Everybody gotta eat it.
Nice. Who are you? How are you, sir? That's good, that's good. What you want to say?
Yeah.
This spaghetti and meatballs today. Yeah, I like pizza. I like pizza. Yeah.
Pasta salad.
Buttery.
And just like that, everyone, we got ourselves a delicious bowl of pasta salad.